Most engines don't just wear out. They're slowly being killed by small things drivers ignore every day. The scary part? It's 100% preventable. Just 10 minutes once a month can save you from breakdowns, $5,000 repair bills, and the nightmare of shopping for a new car way too soon. Do this one simple thing, and your engine could easily outlive the car itself. And wait until you hear the final tip. It's the secret that can turn a 150,000-mile car into a 500,000-mile legend. Let's dive in. Here's a habit most drivers skip, but it's one of the easiest ways to make your car last longer. Always use the parking brake, even when you're on flat ground. See, every time you put your car in park, a small metal pin inside the transmission, called the parking pawl, locks into place to hold the weight of your entire vehicle. On a hill, it carries thousands of pounds of stress. Even on flat ground, the strain builds over time. If that little piece of metal ever snaps, you're looking at a transmission repair that can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000. So if you want to keep your gearbox smooth and your car reliable, make this a habit. Use the parking brake every single time. Small detail, big payoff. But there is something else you need to do to make your ride run smoothly. This time we are all guilty. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button now. Use the correct fuel grade. Engines are designed with a specific fuel grade in mind. If the manufacturer says premium, it means the engine's compression, timing, and sensors are tuned for it. Cheap out with regular and you're not saving a few bucks. You're actually causing knock, reduced performance, and long-term wear. Over time, that small saving at the pump can lead to repairs costing over $2,000. Think of it this way. Would you water down your coffee every morning just to save pennies? Same deal here. Give the engine the fuel it's designed for, and it'll reward you with smoother performance and years of reliable driving. But there is an overlooked part in your car, one part that is completely ignored and could save you thousands of dollars. Can you guess what it is? Maintain the PCV valve. The PCV valve is one of the most overlooked parts under your hood. It regulates crankcase pressure and keeps nasty sludge from building up. When it clogs, pressure builds, seals blow, and suddenly you're looking at oil leaks, blue smoke, and sludge that chokes the life out of your engine. Replacing a PCV valve costs less than a dinner for two. Ignoring it could lead to engine damage that runs into the thousands. And for the next tip, it's literally the cheapest thing you can do for your motor, yet most drivers don't even know about it. Drive long enough trips. Short trips are engine killers. Why? Because the oil never gets hot enough to burn off moisture and fuel vapors. Instead, sludge builds, acids form, and your engine slowly suffocates. Do this for years, and you'll wonder why your car feels sluggish and burns oil like crazy. The fix is almost laughably simple. Take your car on a proper drive at least once a week. 20 to 30 minutes on the highway keeps the oil clean, the battery charged, and the engine healthy. Think of it as a spa day for your car. A little stretch keeps it young. And moving on to another tip most drivers ignore until it's too late. Don't drive around with the fuel light on. Sure, it feels like you're squeezing out every last mile. But the truth is, running on near empty is a silent car killer. Inside every fuel tank, debris, dirt, and sediment settle at the bottom over years of driving. When you run low, the fuel pump has no choice but to suck up that junk. The result? Clogged filters, dirty injectors, and a pump that's straining harder than it should. Replacing a fuel pump can set you back $600 to $1,200. The smarter move is simple. Don't wait until the light comes on. Refill when you're around a quarter tank. It saves your pump, protects your injectors, and keeps your car running strong for years. But if all these tips seem to be too much, then there is something you can do once a month, and forget about your engine till the next month. The once-a-month ritual. Engines don't just wear out, they're destroyed by neglect. And the easiest way to prevent that is with a monthly ritual that takes less than 5 minutes. Ready? Here it is. Pop the hood and give your engine bay a visual inspection. That's it. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This habit has saved thousands of engines from an early grave. According to the American Automobile Association, over 80% of roadside breakdowns could have been prevented with basic monthly inspections like this one. 3 weeks ago, a college student called us panicking about his Honda Civic stalling. One quick look under the hood revealed a loose battery terminal, a 30-second fix that saved him from a $200 tow and diagnostic fee. Number 9. The fluids rule. Your engine's oil, coolant, and transmission fluid are its lifeblood. Ignore them, and you're slowly choking your engine. Just yesterday, a nurse brought in her 2019 Subaru Outback with a nasty engine knock. The problem? She was 8,000 miles overdue for an oil change, thinking synthetic oil gave her a free pass. That mistake cost her $4,200 in engine repairs. Engine oil is the most critical. Change it on schedule and your engine stays happy. Delay it and sludge builds up, starving it of life. Pop the hood once a month, pull the dipstick, and check the oil's color and level. If it's dark, gritty, or low, fix it immediately. Don't forget coolant either. Studies show 65% of engine overheating incidents are caused by low coolant that a simple check could have caught. Now let's move to number 8, the air filter. Most people don't realize this, but your air filter is your engine's lungs. It cleans thousands of gallons of air every mile you drive. A clean filter means smooth airflow, but a clogged one forces your engine to struggle just to breathe. This leads to less power, worse gas mileage, and extra wear. A friend of mine went 3 years without changing the filter on her Ford Explorer. When we finally pulled it out, it was completely blocked. A dirty filter can mess up your fuel-to-air ratio, causing carbon buildup and even damaging your catalytic converter. We're talking about a $20 part that can prevent over $2,000 in repairs. So here's a challenge. After this video, go check your air filter and tell us in the comments what you found. Next up, number 7, your belts and hoses. These are the unsung heroes under the hood, constantly working under incredible stress. The serpentine belt powers your alternator and water pump. If it snaps, you're stranded. Hoses carry vital fluids under high pressure. If one bursts, your engine can overheat in seconds. A couple of months ago, a delivery driver ignored a small crack in his serpentine belt. It snapped in rush hour traffic, turning a $45 fix into a $1,200 towing and repair bill. A burst radiator hose can warp your cylinder head, leading to repairs that cost thousands. Underhood temperatures cook these rubber parts, so they often fail while you're driving, not while parked. A quick 2-minute inspection once a month can save you from a roadside nightmare. At number 6, let's check the battery terminals. Your car might seem fine until one morning you turn the key and get nothing but silence. Here's the deal. A bad connection at the battery terminals can wreak havoc on your entire electrical system. Corrosion forces your alternator and starter to work overtime, straining your engine. Last winter, a real estate agent's Honda Accord wouldn't start in the cold. The battery was fine, but the terminals were so corroded they barely made contact. A simple cleaning fixed the problem. In fact, 73% of battery-related failures are actually connection issues, not dead batteries. So once a month, pop the hood, look for that crusty buildup, and clean it off with a wire brush or a baking soda and water mix. Finally, at number 5, inspect your tire pressure. This might not seem related to your engine, but low or uneven tire pressure forces your engine to work much harder. It's like riding a bike with soft tires, you get tired faster. A mechanic friend of mine saw his gas mileage drop by 4 mpg. When his tire pressure fell just a few psi, that's over $300 a year in extra fuel costs. Plus, underinflated tires overheat, which increases the risk of a dangerous blowout on the highway. The 4th smartest habits you can form is to simply listen. Strange noises are your engine's cry for help, and ignoring them is like turning off the fire alarm while smoke fills the house. Just 6 months ago, a taxi driver brought in his 2015 Ford Fusion, complaining about a slight ticking noise. We found worn valve lifters that would have seized the engine within weeks if left untreated. That $400 repair saved him from a $6,000 engine replacement. Take knocking sounds for example. That sharp metallic rattle when you accelerate usually means your fuel isn't burning properly. It could be due to bad gas, carbon buildup, or even timing issues. Left unchecked, knocking causes severe stress on pistons and bearings, leading to catastrophic engine damage. Here's a pro move. Once a month, turn off the radio, roll down your windows, and drive in silence. Listen carefully as you accelerate, brake, and idle. Compare how your car sounds today versus last month. Changes, even small ones, should not be ignored. A mechanic's stethoscope is cheap, but your ears are free. Catching a noise early can save thousands in repairs. Think of it as regular checkups for your car's heartbeat. So next time you hear an odd sound, don't just crank up the music, investigate. Because if noises are your engine whispering, leaks are your car's way of bleeding. And that brings us to our number 3 must-do habit, looking under the car. This is one of the easiest yet most overlooked habits. Simply looking under your car once a month can save you a fortune. Fluids are the lifeblood of your engine, and leaks are an early warning sign most drivers miss until it's too late. See oil spots on your driveway? That could mean a bad gasket, cracked seal, or even a worn oil pan. Ignore it, and your engine could run low on oil, leading to overheating and complete seizure. That's not just expensive. It's game over for most engines. What about coolant puddles? They're usually green, orange, or pink. This points to radiator, hose, or water pump trouble. Without enough coolant, your engine can overheat in minutes, warping metal parts and blowing head gaskets. Consumer Reports found that over 60% of major engine repairs could have been prevented by catching fluid leaks early. Transmission fluid leaks are another silent killer. Red or brown spots under the car mean your transmission is bleeding, and without attention it will fail. That's a $10,000 repair that can cost more than the car itself. The best part? Spotting leaks is free and takes seconds. Park in a clean spot or slide some cardboard under the car overnight. In the morning, check for drips. Even a faint smell of fuel, coolant, or burning oil should raise a red flag. And while leaks are critical, there's another fluid-related habit that's just as important: checking the lifeblood of your transmission. When it comes to keeping your engine healthy, most people only think about oil. But here's the hidden truth: your transmission fluid plays just as big a role. Without it, your gears grind, your shifts turn rough, and your engine works overtime just to keep you moving. In fact, neglecting transmission fluid is one of the most expensive mistakes drivers make. Last year, a friend of mine paid $600 for a timing belt replacement on his 2016 Honda Pilot, only to find out later that his transmission problems were actually caused by old burnt fluid that costs just $150 to change. Transmission fluid does more than just lubricate. It cools, keeps seals flexible, and ensures every shift is smooth. When the fluid level drops, or the liquid gets dirty, your transmission starts slipping. That creates heat, and heat is the #1 killer of transmissions. Once the damage is done, you're looking at a rebuild or replacement that can cost thousands. The good news? A once-a-month check can prevent all that. If your car has a transmission fluid dipstick, check it the same way you would oil. With the engine warmed up and running, pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, dip it again, and check both the level and the color. Healthy fluid is bright red or pink. If it's dark brown or smells burnt, it's screaming for attention. Keeping your transmission fluid healthy means smoother shifts, less stress on your engine, and thousands saved. And once you've checked your fluids, there's our #1 test you can do right in your driveway to catch issues before they snowball. And it only takes a few minutes. I'm talking about a quick idle and rev test. Engines are like people. You can tell a lot just by listening to how they breathe and move. That's why a monthly idle and rev test is one of the smartest habits you can adopt. Think of it as giving your car a quick physical exam right at home. Here's how it works. With your car in park and the parking brake engaged, start the engine and let it idle for a minute. Listen closely. A healthy engine should hum smoothly without sputters or dips. If it shakes, stalls, or idles unevenly, that could mean dirty fuel injectors, vacuum leaks, or ignition issues waiting to get worse. Automotive technicians report that 85% of drivability issues can be detected during a simple idle and rev test. Many drivers never notice small problems until they become big ones. Odd smells, smoke, or delayed throttle response are all clues you should investigate. Think of it as your engine's way of whispering, "Fix me before it's too late." Do this in a quiet spot with your hood open if possible. You'll pick up sounds, smells, and vibrations you'd normally miss on the road. And always remember, never rev a cold engine. Let it warm up first so oil can circulate. This habit costs nothing, takes under 5 minutes, and could save you thousands. A smooth idle and a steady rev mean your engine is healthy and strong. But if something feels off, don't ignore it. Early fixes are always cheaper. Here it is: warm up your car smart, not long. That old advice about letting your car idle for 10 or 15 minutes? That's a myth from the carburetor days. Modern fuel-injected engines just don't need it. In fact, long idling actually causes more wear and tear and wastes a ton of fuel. I showed my neighbor how his new car was burning over $400 a year just sitting in his driveway. The smart way? Start the engine, wait about 30 seconds for the oil to circulate, then just drive gently. Keep the RPMs low until your engine reaches its normal temperature. That's how modern engines are designed to warm up under a light load, not just standing still. So remember, a minute is plenty even in the cold. Thanks for watching. Drop your own car stories in the comments and subscribe for more tips that'll save you money.